And if I think about what I'm trying to do as an organization, like let's imagine I'm in an organization, I'm showing up, I have a lot of media or images or things I need to go tag. One of these major things that we require is a lot of tagging of information. All right, I have a lot of images. I wanted to search for something that has color blue in it, or it has a picture of a computer, or maybe you're in an industry that's doing some sort of inspection on buildings, and you want to search for cracked pipes or electrical defects, whatever that may be. Your business may run on a bunch of images that need to be very quickly searchable and optimized for like search. This is where the AI services come from. And as me as an organization, I'm thinking, I kind of like this idea of build the solution first, prove that it works, and then optimize later. And what I mean by that is Microsoft has already built a lot of services that do this for you. Was working with a client recently. One good area to apply some AI is if you have feedback coming about your products. Well, can AI summarize all the feedback coming back to your products, like through your website or comments, or there's a database of some, where a lot of this information comes from, right? What's the average sentiment on each product that I have? Can we read through the comments and from those comments gather out the key likes and dislikes of a particular product? I think AI is actually pretty good at those things. The reason I'm bringing all this up is I think Microsoft does a good job of giving you a lot of standard, let's call it building blocks like Legos, to get you started. You don't have to build all this stuff from scratch and train everything to beginning. Like, it's expensive to do that. So I think there's this idea of large companies, the big three, Microsoft, Google, and AWS, are going to provide service layer for just AI things. This is where I think Fabric and the AI Foundry is trying to make its position here is, okay, we've got a library of services that are AI related. What can we do to make that easier for you to bring your Fabric data? Like, for example, what if I want to bring my podcast? How do I bring that into a Fabric world or an Azure Data Studio world where I can utilize that information to be highly responsive, right? So a lot of your systems, I think, in AI start out as this kind of like batch processing, right? Hey, I'm going to process a bunch of comments about our products and provide input back to the users. At some point in the future, you want to have real-time analytics on that.